Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Windows 11 PC. Whether you're looking to fix issues, boost performance, or just start fresh, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen. Then select on Settings, or you can simply right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the settings window, go to System, then scroll down and click on Recovery. Here you can back up your data. Also, you can find under Recovery option, you'll see a section called Reset this PC. Click on the Reset PC button. Now you'll be given two options: keep my files and remove everything. Keep my files will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. Remove everything will completely wipe your system, including your personal files. For a full factory reset, choose remove everything. Next, you'll be asked if you want to clean the drive or just remove your files. Selecting remove files can clean the drive is more secure and is recommended if you're giving away or selling your PC. For a quick reset, you can just select just remove my files. Finally, you'll see a summary of your chosen reset options. Click on next and then reset to start the process. This will restart your PC and begin the factory reset. The process might take some time, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully performed the factory reset on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.